If you're a merchant using Cash App and see the status sponsor blocked merchant, this means something specific has happened to your payment processing ability. Cash App's sponsoring bank, either Sutton Bank or Lincoln Savings Bank, has restricted your ability to process payments. This is not the same as a full Cash App account suspension. The two main sponsoring banks are Sutton Bank and Lincoln Savings Bank. These banks maintain ultimate control and liability over merchant payment processing. There are several core triggers that can lead to a sponsor block. Let's examine each one in detail. First, operating in high-risk industries like adult content, gambling, cryptocurrency, or CBD products can trigger a sponsor block due to increased regulatory scrutiny. Second, unusual transaction patterns, such as sudden spikes in volume or irregular timing, can raise red flags with the sponsoring bank's risk assessment systems. Third, compliance violations, including missing documentation, incomplete business verification, or failure to meet regulatory requirements, can result in immediate blocking. Fourth, high chargeback rates exceeding 1% can trigger automatic blocks, as this indicates potential fraud or customer dissatisfaction issues. Finally, a pattern of customer complaints, disputes, or fraud reports can lead to sponsor bank intervention as they seek to protect themselves from liability and regulatory issues. Understanding these common triggers helps merchants identify potential issues before they become problems and take proactive steps to maintain good standing with Cash App's sponsoring banks. When you receive a sponsor-blocked merchant status, immediate action is crucial. The first step is to contact Cash App Business Support through their dedicated merchant helpline. Next, gather all necessary documentation. You'll need your business license, tax documents, bank statements, and detailed transaction records. Having complete documentation ready speeds up the resolution process significantly. Prepare a detailed explanation of your business model, customer base, and typical transaction patterns. Review your recent activity to identify any unusual transactions or changes that might have triggered the block. To prevent future sponsor blocks, maintain chargeback rates below 0.5%, implement robust customer service systems, and provide clear billing descriptors. Proactively monitor your transaction patterns and keep all business documentation current. For long-term stability, consider diversifying your payment processing across multiple providers and implementing advanced fraud prevention tools. This reduces dependency on a single platform and provides backup options if issues arise.